Hello everyone, I'm Thananjeeyan from NTTF Electronic City and I'm studying Diploma in Tool Engineering and Digital Manufacturing. Today my chapter topic is Additive Manufacturing. So before diving into the topic of Additive Manufacturing, we should all know about the two basic manufacturing methods. One is subtractive manufacturing and the other one is additive manufacturing. In subtractive manufacturing, we will be removing the material layer by layer in order to get the required shape of a component. For example, milling, turning, drilling, etc. And in additive manufacturing, we'll be adding the material layer by layer in order to get the required shape of a component. For example, 3D printing, RPT, binder setting, etc. So by using the computer-aided design or 3D object scanners, we can create an object which is precise in geometry. Parts can be produced in any geometry, which is the core strength of this additive manufacturing. So moving on to the advantages and disadvantages. We have the freedom of design in this as an advantage so that we can control the internal structure of a component and we can reduce the weight of the product. So it is also easy to learn and it reduces the raw material wastage by 90%. And the main disadvantages of this additive manufacturing is that it is very expensive and we only have limited size of material and it takes time to produce a component. And we also have the size limitation as a disadvantages as the specification of the additive manufacturing machines is very low. So this additive manufacturing is mainly used in three industries: aerospace industries, automobile industries, and medical industries. And the materials used in the additive manufacturing is that biochemical materials, ceramics, thermoplastics, and even metals can be 3D printed. Nowadays, people use additive manufacturing to build a house. So the main importance of this additive manufacturing is that it can produce a component which is lighter, complex design that can be too difficult or expensive to produce in a conventional machine. Thank you.